Hi everyone, and welcome to week 6 of the Complete Habits Challenge. So this is your final week of the challenge. Congratulations on making it this far. We hope that you guys have had some fun and learned some things throughout these past few weeks. So here we go into our final week. So this week we hope to kind of wrap everything up for you and pull everything together. We are going to review the 4 dynamic habits. These are the habits that we've kind of been working to instill these last 5 weeks. So these habits are our nutrition habits, our sleep habits, our mindset, and also movement. So we've gone over the first 3, but we haven't gone over movement very much. So this week, we're going to dive in a little bit deeper into the importance of movement and daily exercise and how that affects your mindset, as well as the other habits that we've been working towards. The next thing we're going to go over is outcome-based habits versus outcome-based goals versus process-based goals. So this is just why creating systems is actually more important than having actual goals. We'll go over a little bit that, and I'll talk about that towards the end when we're going over our points here. So since it's the final week, we are going to make the points a little bit harder to earn. So we're bumping up almost everything. So for your servings of fruits and vegetables, we're bumping it up to 6 servings of fruits and vegetables. So that's 1 point each day, 7 points for getting 6 servings of fruits and vegetables each day. The next one is we're bumping up to 60 ounces of water. So 60 ounces of water each day. You get 1 point each day, or 7 points total for that. We're keeping the servings of protein the same. So we're getting 3 servings of protein each day. You get 1 point for that, 7 points total through the week. Remember with those protein that we're still looking to find those nutrient-dense protein items as opposed to the ones that are really high in calories. So make sure you're still comparing those labels and getting those nutrient-dense proteins in. The next thing we're going to incorporate is 30 minutes of daily movement. So for this one here, this needs to be an intentional set aside time that you're exercising. So going to the gym does count. If you go to the gym 5 days a week consistently, then you automatically get 5 points. We're wanting you to incorporate 30 minutes of daily movement each day. So this could be accumulated throughout the day. So maybe I do 3 10-minute walks, or I do a 20-minute yoga session in the morning, and then I do a 10-minute jog at night, or I do a 15-minute home workout in the morning, and then at night I go on a walk with my family for 15 minutes. So this can be accumulated throughout the day. If you're working throughout the day, you can put this in. Maybe I do 3 10-minute walks throughout my workday. So we're just wanting you to find times that you can intentionally move and get that daily exercise in. If you tend to work a high labor job where you're moving things or hauling, things like that, you're working outside, that's not going to count as your full 30 minutes. We want you to add another 30 minutes that you're intentionally moving and getting that exercise in. Okay, so that's going to be hard for a lot of people, but we're making this hard since it's the last week. We want you guys to shoot for that 30 minutes of daily exercise each day. You'll get 1 point each day for that, or 7 points total. The next one we're going to do is you're going to take, after you read about the process-based goals versus the outcome-based goals, you're going to create one of your own. So an example of an outcome-based goal would be, I want to lose 40 pounds. So that's great, but we want to know, how will you lose 40 pounds? So an example of a process or an outcome-based goal would be, I want to lose 40 pounds. My process-based goal will be, I will incorporate my mindful eating habits daily. So that goal is going to help me to get my outcome-based goal. Another outcome-based goal could be something like, I want to buy a house. My process-based goal, I could transform that into a process-based goal and say, I will put X amount of money aside each month for a down payment on a house. So there's lots of examples in your packet. Make sure you read through those. Watch the video that's attached to it, and you'll get a better idea of what a process-based goal looks like compared to an outcome-based goal. So again, this is your final week. This is a review of how you get your points. 6 servings of fruits and vegetables each day, 60 ounces of water each day, 3 servings of protein each day, 30 minutes of daily movement, and you're creating a process-based goal and sharing that with your accountability group. So We hope you guys have a wonderful last week. Let us know if you guys have any questions. Good luck.